Hey there, super smart kids. Welcome to Smiley Smart Kids, the most fun and exciting quiz channel just for you. Do you love brain-teasing quizzes, fun riddles, and awesome challenges? Then you're in the right place. But wait! Before we start our quiz adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a fun quiz. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love quizzes. And don't forget to share this with your friends so they can play too. Are you ready to test your brain power? Let's jump into today's quiz. What is 5 plus 3? 6, 8, 9. The correct answer is 8. What is 10 minus 4? 6, 7, 5. The correct answer is 6. What is 2 times 4? 6, 8, 10. The correct answer is 8. What is 15 divided by 3? 4, 5, 6. The correct answer is 5. Which number comes after 19? 18, 21, 20. The correct answer is 20. What is half of 10? 2, 5, 8. The correct answer is 5. How many sides does a triangle have? 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is 3. If you have 4 apples and you eat 2, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 2. What is 9 plus 6? 14, 15, 16. The correct answer is 15. What is the value of 10 tens? 10, 100, 1000. The correct answer is 100. What is 12 minus 7? 6, 5, 4. The correct answer is 5. What is 3 times 3? 6, 8, 9. The correct answer is 9. What is 18 divided by 2? 8, 9, 10. The correct answer is 9. If you have 20 candies and give 5 to your friend, how many are left? 10, 15, 5. The correct answer is 15. Did you enjoy this quiz? Hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting challenges. Goodbye.